we're joined by Antony Cherukara, the CEO at VST Tillers Tractors, joining in with us this afternoon. Thank you so much, sir, for joining in with us this afternoon on ET Now. I want to just start by talking about the overall demand trend. What are we seeing in terms of the demand trend there? Seems like in terms of your sales numbers, when I'm looking at it, from April onwards, you've seen an improvement coming in. Could you give us an understanding of now, how are we expecting it? Yes, during the monsoon season, we saw a bit of an impact on that number, but now what is the trend looking like?
So as you rightly said, there was definitely a lag in terms of the demand picking up because that was primarily due to the delay in the monsoon and it didn't come on time in the month of June. But the July rains have been good and it has covered up most of the deficiency that was there in the month of June. And we look forward to a good season going forward, provided that the El Nino effect doesn't take too much of a grip and the monsoon doesn't lag too much in the month of August especially. So that's where it stands. It's overall looking positive, but depending on the monsoon in August.
Right, sir. This is Ankita joining in now. So you've also seen a decline in your margins on a sequential basis from 17% to 13% now. What have been the factors contributing to this, and any scope for improvement from the current number?
Definitely on a quarter-on-quarter basis, you'll see a decline. But if you compare it with the previous quarter, the quarter one of last year, you will find that the percentage EBITDA has in fact grown. We have seen cooling down of commodity prices. That is what has helped us with respect to our EBITDA margins compared to the previous quarter one. And as volume picks up, as we know that the agriculture business is a seasonal business, there will be an impact of volumes as the season picks up. You will see better numbers in Q3, which is normal because of the festival season that is there. And of course, in the month of Q4, the quarter Q4, where the numbers are usually high. So you will find these two seasons or two quarters being better than the first two quarters.
Right, so we'll be seeing the second half could be better than the first two quarters. But just want to understand overall then for FY24 now, what is it that we are building in over there? What is your outlook for the tractor segment? Competition is building up in the light of weight tractors. How do you see that? And overall, what would be your guidance in terms of the growth that you would give, and margins? Are these 12.9% level margins sustainable for the full year?
Yeah, so looking forward to, we are primarily in the power tiller and the tractor business. So we are looking at 15 to 20% growth in the tiller business. And we are looking at 10 to 15% growth in the tractor business. While the industry commentary is for a lower single digit, we maintain a 10 to 15% in the tractor business. We don't build channel inventory. And we expect the retails to pick up in Q2 and Q3. And with the launch of new products in tractors from us, which is happening in Q2 and Q3, we expect this growth that I've told you. And yeah, that's the outlook.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for joining in with us this afternoon on ET Now, giving us an understanding of what we should be expecting from the company going forward as well.